I've been at home to sit around and take in some of the things I've been through in the last month. These are what they call chips. You get these at Harley Davidson dealerships. Every like things you would get to say, "Hey, I've been there." That's one thing you collect. Um, for some unknown reason, I collected hotel door keys. I had see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 16 days worth right there. But we were going longer than 16 days. But I don't know. For some reason I held on to them. Some I turned in, some I didn't. But when you're out there, like I said, back to the Harley chip things, you get your different spots. Thunder Tower. Let me see. Thunder Tower, South Carolina. Wait. Yeah, Thunder Tower, South Carolina. You got Marysville, Washington. You got Willamette Valley. That's where we slept that night in Oregon. You got Northampton, New Hampshire. You got Lebanon, New Hampshire, Twin States, Harley Davidson. You got Portland, Maine, Harley Davidson. You got your Rochester. That was in New York. We spent the day there getting tires changed. So you got your Boston, Harley Davidson. You got your Augusta, Maine, another one of them, Harley Davidson. You got your Beaufort Heights, Ohio, Harley Davidson dealership. You got your Kegel, where was that at? In Rockford, Illinois. Oh yeah, I went. That was where I met my man Ghost. We picked up Hollywood over there. El Paso, Texas. That was the Barnett one. Pretty nice one we went to. Let's see, St. Augustine, Florida. Oh, I remember that. Yeah. Let's see, another one, Ohio. We got. Let's see, Performance Holiday. Where was that? Oh, in Syracuse, New York. Yeah. Twin Cities. That would be Minnesota. So I think we got a few more Harley Davidson dealerships. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 different dealerships. I don't know. It's like souvenirs. You collect all this stuff. Then you got to figure out where you're going to put it. How you going to display it. I still got stuff from my last trip that I collected chips from that I haven't put them somewhere. Sorted Harley Davidson keychains. Motown Harley Davidson. We got these right here. We ended up staying there. Had to do a tire change over there. One of my people's almost bought a bike, but he didn't like the customer service, so he's like, squash that. Not gonna do it. But to the most effect, the main things that show what you did, I wonder why people would have all that stuff on their vest. And it's achievements. It's like it's to show what you've done. Let everybody see these are the things I've achieved. These are the things I've did. And so, these goes with that. Like, hey, that's me. And so, since Mr. Nate said I qualified for I found it with the breed all 4 corners. That I did do. Done. Got that. See, we got the trivector run with the breed. The 4 since 4 corners, 34 chapters, 48 states. Got that. Then you qualify for get that yonder ground pounder 24 states. Yeah, got that. Got 24. Then you're going to run over here and you got the ground pounder coast to coast. Well, bam. I did coast to coast with them. Like I said, get that yonder earned, not given. Then bam. Get the yonder earned ground pounder all 4 corners. Got that 4 corners. That's as similar as that one right there. And All these white ones can be changed for black for the official club member ones if you decide to come join the club, and go through the hang around period and whatever they need to do to meet the qualifications of them. And the ground pounder, all 48 states. So those can be gotten. Those are all gotten. But the one that really puts it, which kind of like, you can decide what you want to put on your vest with those, but is this right here, the quad effect one. This basically summarizes all those other patches up. The quad effect, that's got road width, 4 corners, 34 chapters, epic tour, 2021, 48 states, rare breed, 7 wonders. And those were like the we didn't go to Grand Canyon, but the wonders would be considered Yellowstone, which we did. We did the Hoover Dam. We did Niagara Falls. We did the Hollywood sign, the La Brea Tar Pit. What else did we got? We got the thing at the top of Hollywood where you can see the observation place. I think there's something else in there we did, but those are considered wonders. And so you can either choose wherever you want to use it as. You can use it as the yellow, or you can hit it with the white. Depends on your color scheme of vest you want. Then you got your other one. You pound it with a rare breed, highway bully, because we was bullying some people. It was like, move, get out the way. So I got to figure out how I want to display my achievement. So what I'm thinking is this. I'm going to run yellow, and I'm going to run these right here, because those kind of repeat themselves. So we're going to take off this how many states, color it in, throw it into a window thing, a clear thing, put that right here, what y'all think, right there. Then I'm going to I'll drop this right here, like that. Maybe somewhere lower down here. That's what I'm thinking. The rest of the stuff might be overkill. I haven't decided yet. For the most part, if I do decide to join the club, then this will get changed around. I'm on the fence about that, but they are a good organization, and it showed me love, and I learned a lot of things, and a lot of good people to be around. It's always easy when you get with people who got the same mindset as you. Mr. Nate, PJ, Amp, Skip, Ghost, Big Al, who else? Wayne, B Money, Czar, all these people who I've named, and a few of the brothers. Mr. No, Guilty, and Sinner, and a few other brothers' names I can't remember off the top of hand. These were people who we hung out with and rode with, and ate with, slept next to, helped each other out, fixed each other's bikes, talk shit back and forth, raced with, all that. Oh, Snowman, he was there for a short second, and these are people, if you hanging out with them long enough, you get to know them. And you know how they ride, kind of know what the answer is going to be, how they're going to talk. And, those are things you don't forget. And so those are things that, I guess what I come to see is called fellowshipping. You meeting with other people and you sharing a lot of likes, and you get to know each other. You build a network. And that's what the rare breed has built, is a network. A network of friends and people who get it like they like to get it. Oh, yeah. I got this too from the Tennessee chapter, the drink chip. So, which it was explained on another thing about what that's about. But these are items that you can't get unless you're there. Speed up or breed up. Music City Flock, rare breed. So if you call a chip call, you slap it on the table, bam, and if they ain't got their chip, whoever ain't got theirs pays for the food or pays for the drink. So these are items that you can't get unless you was there. So I guess I am in agreement with what Sale had said, that this patch right here is the one to be had. and it gives you, it summarizes it all about what you've achieved, you know. And so yeah, I'm a debate on how I want to lay this out on my vest, you know. Therefore, you know, like I told my boy, it's the Me Too movement. What do you mean Me Too? That Me Too got miles, Me Too got more friends, Me Too got network, whole bunch of that, you know. But that's all I wanted to say, and I wanted to shout out to PJ, Mr. Nate, Czar, um, Guilty, everybody who was there with me, helped me along this journey, and it was a definitely experience. And if you guys can ever get the opportunity to get out there and get some miles, see the world. The world is big, and we just touching a piece of it. You know, Niagara Falls went there too. So you know, man, you know, they even changed my name. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Yeah, I'm Money Scar Stereo. The girls, they called me Radio Raheem because I had all the radio stuff, and you know, and then I embarrassed to say, but I did mismanage my gas a few times. So if you listen to the videos, they called me Top Off, and that will be my club name. If I join the club, they said they're gonna call me Top Off because I had a few issues of not having enough gas and causing the pack to stop or shut down early on a gas run because I had to top off my shit. So it became a running statement. You top off, got your gas top off. And so if you hear that in the videos, that's what that was coming from, because I hadn't topped off. But yeah, like I said, Rebel is an organization. You guys are the man, and hey, I was very enlightened and impressed and proud to be given an opportunity to roll with you guys and see how you guys get down. Um, that's all I got to say about it. Shout out to my peoples, my new peoples. My name's Car Stereo. We out. After how many days on the road, babe? About 25 days. Come home to get some real food. We got champagne, a little peach up in there. We got some, what are these over here? Beef short ribs and yams, my favorite. Scalloped potatoes and some rice and gravy. I'm just saying. Oh, and we got some cornbread coming up too. Some. Let me taste. Let me taste. Yeah, that part right there. Gotta go. Shop be open back on Monday. Until then, we on vacation still. Gotta go.